Spelling bee number 14. Listen and spell the words. Cooking words number 4.
Braise. Braise. Braise the meat until tender in a flavorful sauce.
Braise. Braise. Braise the meat until tender in a flavorful sauce. Braise.
Baste. Baste. Baste the turkey with pan juices every half hour.
Baste. Baste. Baste the turkey with pan juices every half hour. Baste.
Tenderize. Tenderize. The recipe suggests tenderizing the steak with a meat mallet.
Tenderize. Tenderize. The recipe suggests tenderizing the steak with the meat mallet. Tenderize.
Garnish. Garnish. Garnish the soup with a sprig of parsley before serving.
Garnish. Garnish. Garnish the soup with a sprig of parsley before serving. Garnish.
Dredge. Dredge. Dredge the fish fillets in seasoned flour before frying.
Dredge. Dredge. Dredge the fish fillet in seasoned flour before frying. Dredge.
Puree. Puree. Puree the soup until it's silky smooth.
Puree. Puree. Puree the soup until it's silky smooth. Puree.
Zest. Zest. Zest the lemon to add a bright, citrusy flavor to the dish.
Zest. Zest. Zest the lemon to add a bright, citrusy flavor to the dish. Zest.
Brew. Brew. I'm going to brew a pot of coffee for us.
Brew. Brew. I'm going to brew a pot of coffee for us. Brew.
Ferment. Ferment. We're fermenting our own pickles this summer.
Ferment. Ferment. We are fermenting our own pickles this summer. Ferment.
Caramelize. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions until they're golden brown and sweet.
Caramelize. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions until they are golden brown and sweet.